Hi guys, Emma here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I show you guys how I protein treat my hair, and for this protein treatment, like any other protein treatment, I'll be using my all-time favorite, the Aphogee Keratin 2-minute Reconstructor. I absolutely love the ease of using this product and I love how it smells. I typically do my protein treatment every 6 weeks with a protein boost in between sometimes. As usual, I'll be working in sections, so I'm just putting the other sections away. My hair had been pre-pooed and is freshly washed, so I am starting out on damp hair. First, I unravel 2 sections. I like to pre-poo and shampoo in smaller sections, but when it comes to deep conditioning, using a mask or a treatment, I like to work in bigger sections. So I lightly unravel, I fluff my hair, and then I apply the product to my strands and my scalp as per the product directions. I also take my time to massage it into my strands and also into my scalp. I lightly separate and then twist the section up and move on. I repeat the process all around. I don't detangle when applying my protein treatment. I just lightly separate and then twist it up. This product claims to soften and restore strength to your hair, and in my experience it does just that. I experience softness immediately when I apply the product to my hair, and I experience strength and structure to my hair once I rinse out. A few things you need to know about why you should do a protein treatment every now and again is that our hair is made out of keratin, which is a type of protein, and protein provides structure to our hair, giving it the bounce and the shape and the strength that it usually has. Protein balances the moisture of our hair to keep the hair healthy and strong. If you have enough protein but not enough moisture, your hair will feel dry and brittle. And if you have so much moisture and not enough protein in your hair would feel weak and lifeless and could lead to breakage. I feel like I've actually said this whole protein moisture balance thing or over and over again, but I'll just say it again. You need both moisture and protein to maintain healthy hair, which is often referred to as moisture protein balance. And this is why it is very important that you follow up with a moisturizing deep conditioner after a protein treatment. Some people have said that they don't follow up with a deep conditioner after using this protein treatment, especially because it doesn't say if you should in the directions. However, I will not advise anyone to skip deep conditioning after a protein treatment. Whether or not you feel any structure in your hair, whether or not your hair feels hard or strong, I would strongly advise that to be on the safer side of things, just follow up with a moisturizing deep conditioner. So I basically just repeat the process on the other side. The direction says to leave it in for 2 to 5 minutes. If you're not going through extensive damage, I would advise you to just use the Keratin 2-minute Reconstructor. It is safer, it is milder than the 2-step one. Also, if you're using any protein treatment for the first time, please stick to the directions and timelines until you kind of understand how your hair reacts to it. So once I rinse out the protein treatment, I will follow up with a moisturizing deep conditioner, but I will not be showing you guys the follow-up deep conditioning routine in this video. It's my regular deep conditioning routine, and I already have a video on that, and I will link it up here. So I hope that you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you did, as usual, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.